In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently find and manage your resources within Google Cloud Storage, commonly known as GCS. Whether you're looking to locate your buckets or access specific bucket resources, these straightforward methods will guide you based on the tools at your disposal and the permissions you have. First, let's talk about accessing Google Cloud Storage using the Google Cloud Console, which is the web-based user interface. This method is particularly appealing for those who value a user-friendly approach. To begin, you'll want to sign in to the Google Cloud Console. This serves as your central hub for accessing and managing your cloud resources, so if you aren't familiar with it yet, it's worth taking some time to explore. Once you've logged in, you'll find a left navigation menu. Here, look for the option labeled Cloud Storage. When you hover over it or click on it, you'll see another option, Overview. This will provide you with a comprehensive list of all the buckets in the currently selected project. It's an efficient way to get a high-level view of your storage resources without having to dive straight into granular details. Now, should you find yourself with access only to a specific bucket, perhaps because permissions have been set accordingly, there's a direct way to reach it as well. Every bucket in Google Cloud Storage can be accessed directly through a specific URL. The format for this URL is straightforward: https://console.cloud.google com/storage/browser, followed by the exact name of the bucket you wish to access. Simply replace bucket name with the name of your target bucket. This is incredibly handy if you frequently work with a specific bucket and want to skip the navigation process altogether. Accessing your cloud storage in these ways ensures that you're always in control and able to manage your resources effectively. It's important to note, however, that the options you see and the resources you can access depend on the permissions granted to your user account. Always verify your permissions if you encounter any issues accessing the storage or specific buckets. Understanding and managing these permissions is crucial for maintaining a secure and efficient workflow. So, there you have it, a simple, clear way to access Google Cloud Storage using the Google Cloud Console. Whether you're accessing all of your buckets at once or navigating directly to a specific one, these steps ensure you can locate what you need with minimal hassle. Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to reach out with any further questions you might have about managing your Google Cloud resources.